Welcome to the Parent Online Economics and Personal Finance Summer 2018 orientation session. Essentially, Economics and Personal Finance is a course designed to prepare students to function effectively as informed career navigators, entrepreneurs, or employees, insured individuals trying to obtain credit or borrow money in the form of a loan, active citizens in the economy, taxpayers, savers, investors, and consumers. The Economics and Personal Finance course is one standard unit of credit that is required for graduation, and it does satisfy the virtual course requirement and also offers an opportunity to obtain an industry certification, which is required for a standard diploma. And the test that allows them to obtain the industry certification is the WISE Financial Literacy Test. The course expectations over the summer, in order for students to be successful, they need to participate in the course weekly, Monday through Friday, spending approximately 7.5 hours per day on the course activities. They need to be sure to complete the self-checks and learning activities in the order they appear in order to be the most successful. In addition, they need to complete all assignments by the due dates in the Blackboard class and on the assignment activities checklist. They are able to check their grades frequently in the My Grades tab in the Blackboard site for feedback on assignments completed and scores earned. If you don't understand assignments, the students are encouraged to seek help immediately via email from their course instructor so that they can help them and clarify and provide any guidance that is needed. Again, any and all communication in the online course takes place via email. So please feel free as parents to use that to discuss any issues or concerns as well. At the end of this orientation, all instructor emails will be provided, and they are also found in the instructor tab under the Blackboard courses. Again, please respond to instructor emails promptly. If you receive an email from an instructor, they're most likely needing some important information that may be time sensitive. In terms of the grading for the course, each week is the equivalent of one quarter during the regular school year. And you can see the first quarter, which is week 1, is worth 15% of the overall grade. The second quarter is the equivalent of week 2, and that also is 15%. Both the midterm and final exam grades are worth 20% each, and the third and fourth quarters are respectively 15% as well, for a total of 100% assignment breakdown for the entire grade. Assignments are found in the Blackboard class shell. They are available 24/7, so students can work on them at their leisure, making sure that they complete them by the assignment deadlines and setting aside a time that works for them each week to make sure they complete the work. All assignments are essentially due by Sunday at midnight and will not be received or accepted beyond that. So again, if a student does have an issue or something comes up during the Monday through Friday, they must complete them no later than the following Sunday midnight, or they will not be accepted. They need to be sure to submit assignments anytime they see an assignment icon, which looks like a paper and a ruler and a pencil in the Blackboard class. That means the teacher is expecting something from them in the form of an assignment. They do want to make sure they complete the unit review assessment before each unit tests. Trying to strive for an 85% accuracy will help ensure they know the content and be successful on the test. As they will only get one chance to complete each unit test, they must make sure that they set aside a time that they can complete it and be uninterrupted, because again, they will only get one opportunity to complete the entire unit test. They can check the My Grades tab in Blackboard to see where they're at, what work they've completed, and what work they need to continue to complete, and get feedback on the work that they have completed and the grades received. If an assignment is missing, it will be a 0 points until it is completed, at which time the grade will be entered. Progress reports will be sent home after every unit. So again, that may be a day or 2 or 3 days, but monitor that and just look in the Blackboard class shell to see if assignments have been completed, and then you should receive a progress report from the instructor at the end of every major unit. You can see daily points assigned on the assignment list in SIS for your review. You'd have to look at the breakdown in the Blackboard class shell for individual assignments not completed. There are daily collaborations Monday through Friday that will take place. Mrs. Setness's takes place at 9 a.m. Your respective instructor will have a time. Mrs. Sweet is at 8 a.m. Monday through Friday. Mrs. Setness, 9 a.m. Mr. Hohenwarder at 2:30 p.m. and Mrs. Offman is at 8 p.m. So again, that will be communicated to you in your individual instructor's Blackboard class shell. There will be no collaborations held on the 4th of July holiday or the exam dates on July 11th for the midterm exam or July 25th for the final exam and WISE financial literacy tests. You are expected to attend and participate in all collaborative sessions. Points are given as a grade for completion and participation. If for any reason you have a schedule conflict and miss a session, you can contact your instructor, and you can, if there's still time within the day, you can make up or participate in any other collaboration that takes place that day. If the day has already passed, then you would need to listen to a recording. You would need to email your instructor. The subject heading needs to have the date of the missed session. For example, if you missed the orientation on 6/28/18, and you need to provide, again, a summary of what was discussed and answer any questions, and then let your instructor know, and they will be able to assign those points. You can look in the Announcements tab in Blackboard. There is a link to join our Remind 101 for updated daily reminders of what needs to be completed in the class on a day-to-day basis. The Remind.com is a free one-way text messaging app that helps teachers, students, and parents communicate quickly and efficiently. So it will be used to remind students of each daily assignments that are due. Parents must give permission for students to sign up to use the Remind service and receive messages from their teacher, and indicate this in the student email requesting important information in the FCPS schools.net Google form that was sent to students to complete at the beginning of the course. Again, parents can sign up for this as well. It is just a quick way to receive daily updates on what is due in the course. There are 2 times in which students must report for the face-to-face exams. The first one is the midterm exam on Wednesday, July 11th, 2018 at 5 p.m. at Woodson High School. The second and last one is the final exam and WISE test on Wednesday, July 25th, 2018 at 5 p.m. at Woodson High School. So we hope you have a great summer session. If for any reason your summer schedule has changed and you can no longer meet the course requirements or the face-to-face time frames, then the deadline to drop this course is Thursday, June 28th, 2018 by 11:59 p.m. The refund policy, as stated in the Encore Summer School Manual, indicates that refund requests must be submitted again by 11:59 p.m. on Thursday, June 28th, 2018. To request a refund, please visit the link to request the refund. No paper or email requests will be accepted. No late requests will be considered. So again, if that applies to you, if not, best of luck and good luck on your summer economics and personal finance course.